Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use green screen on DaVinci Resolve. So select your video and then select the green screen you want to add and put it on top of that video like so, and then you're just going to want to make sure you click on open effects overlay, and then you're just going to go to search 3D here and drag it here. So make sure you have this turned on or else you won't be able to see it. Go to effects, go to this like plus button and just do that. As you can see, there are some green stuff still here, and you can use this to like delete parts of it. As you can see, it deleted parts of the green. You can also do it in matte finesse and clean black, but it's just going to delete the wings. You can also do this in and out ratio to delete some of the green screen part, and as you can see, parts of it are mostly gone, and that's pretty much how you can use green screen. You can edit more here if you want, but I'm not going to do that. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!